If you want to accept orders even when a product is out of stock, setting up pre-orders on Shopify is a smart strategy. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to set up pre-orders on Shopify in a simple and practical way. Let us begin. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Products. Now search for the product you want to enable pre-orders for. In this example, I'm using a product called 650C 45mm micro wheel set. Click to open the product page. Scroll down to the variant section because pre-order settings must be enabled for each variant individually. Select the first variant, for example, orange. Under the inventory section, click on More Details. Here you will see an option called Continue Selling when out of stock. Enable this option. This step is very important because it allows customers to purchase the product even when the available quantity reaches zero. Click Save. Now go back and repeat the same process for the black variant. Open it, go to Inventory, enable Continue Selling when out of stock, and click Save again. Once both variants are updated, we will now configure the pre-order button using an app. Click on the app's icon from the top left corner. In the search bar, type Preorder Now and open the app. It may take a few seconds to load completely. Once inside the app, click on Create Preorder. On the left-hand side panel, select Products and choose the product you want to enable pre-order for. Turn on the Enable Pre-order option. Now, go to the Settings section. Here you will see multiple options such as Default Settings, Advanced Settings, Email Notifications, and Styles. Once everything is configured, save your changes. Now, let us check how it looks on the storefront. Go to Online Store. On your current theme, click on the three dots beside Customize and select Preview. Open the preview in a new tab. Search for the product name and open the product page. You will now see the pre-order button displayed for both variants, orange and black. Select a variant and click on Pre-order Now. The product will be successfully added to the cart, confirming that the pre-order setup is working correctly. And that is how you can easily set up pre-orders on Shopify and continue accepting orders without losing potential customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more practical Shopify and e-commerce tutorials.